On the flat top. Alright. I'm gonna hit it with this Santa Fe style salsa. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Oh man. Work that in a little bit. Get that flavor in there. Then, top that bad dude off. Pepper jack and some provolone. Oh yeah, daddy-o. Almost. Oh, that looks good right there. One thing missing on that is our blackjack rub on there. Why do we call it blackjack rub? Well, basically because it's got 21 different spices. So you take that, I'm going to hit that right on there like that. Oh, daddy, look at that. Look at that cheese dripping. Oh, get in there. You bring it right over here. Oh, shove that in there just nice. You're going to take that knife right there, cut that bad dude in half. We're going to serve this right next to this Santa Fe au jus. It's got a little bit of the sauce in it to give it a nice little flavor. Get all that meat in there. All right. So you take the sandwich, you dip it in the au jus, you dip it in your mouth, and somebody loves you for it. It all tastes good, looks good, feels good. Come on down to Sin City Smokers and get